Hi everyone, welcome to ForTheGeeks. In this video, I'm going to show you unboxing of my Skullcandy Hesh Evo headset. I will also talk about some features of this headphone. I have reviewed headphones from other brands like Beats, Plantronics, Bose and all on this channel. So they're all good, but this one I especially bought because I was on a trip and I forgot my one of the main headsets that I normally use. So I had to buy something quick and not that expensive. So I ended up buying this and I'm really happy with it so far. It's Bluetooth enabled over-ear headset. I bought it for just $62 from Officeworks. And it charges quite fast, so 10 minutes rapid charge is what it claims, and the battery life is quite good. So I have used it for several days a week, several hours a day, and I haven't had to recharge it yet. The best thing I liked about this is it is tile enabled, so if you are not sure what tile is or you haven't heard about it earlier, stay tuned. I will tell you how to install the tile app and how you can use it. You can control the call, the volume and the track if you're listening to some music. It has a noise isolating fit and it is foldable, so it is easy to carry. So I will unbox it and show it to you. You can see that it is compact and foldable, so if you are traveling you can just fold it and just carry it with you. Headphone is just 550 grams and there is the starter guide. This is the charging cable that it comes with. The ear cushioning is soft and headphones, when you wear it, you feel it comfortable. It has a matte black finish, so it looks very cool. Like I said, it has noise isolating fit. When compared to some more expensive headphones I had, it is not as good personally, I would say, the noise isolation, but still good enough. There is this aux cable, so if you have a device that doesn't have Bluetooth on it, you can connect it through that cable. Cable is a bit shorter than I would prefer. If you could see that it is less than 2 inches long. Just to compare, I will put my ring finger along with it and you can see it's quite short for my liking, but yeah, it still does what it needs to do. It serves the purpose, so it does charge your Bluetooth headset. This is the user guide. This is the power on off button. The same button can be used to play, pause music, answer calls and phone calls, activate voice assistant. And then there is this plus and minus. So plus is to increase the volume and minus is to decrease the volume. So you can read the user guide to see what all these buttons can do and how long you need to hold these buttons. There is this charging slot and aux input slot. The headband is stretchable and soft, so I reckon it should be fitting all head sizes according to me. Let's install the tile app, but before that I would like to bring one more thing. A small disadvantage with this headphone, apart from the charging cable length, is that this headphone only supports connecting only one device at a time. So the other headphones that I have, they do support connecting two devices simultaneously. But this one only supports one device, at least that's my experience so far. Being able to connect two devices is quite handy in scenarios like being connected to both a laptop and the phone. Say you are in a meeting on your laptop and you receive a phone call, you can seamlessly switch to take the call. So that's a feature I love with other headsets, but that is something that I couldn't do here. I could only connect one device. It is what it is, so if you end up buying this headset, you will have to deal with it, I guess. You can install the app on your device, the Tile app, and you can activate a Tile enabled device. So I'm adding this Skullcandy headset, but I guess there are a few more like HP, Fitbit and all. If you haven't created an account, create one. I created one already and then I signed in. Just follow the prompts and give the Tile app all the permissions it requires. Allow all the time here and ensure that the location is also selected. Allow the push notifications and it looks for the tile. The Android app is looking for the tile enabled device, and simultaneously on your Bluetooth headset press the pairing button, Bluetooth pairing button. You will see a red blue light flashing. That means it's ready to connect with the device, and then if on the app, if you look for pair new device, you will see Hesh Evo being shown here. Just connect it, and now it is, the app says connecting to your tile. It gets connected. Activate the tile. So you need to verify your headphones, so you need to press these two buttons as shown in the pic here. These are nothing but power on off button and the volume up button. You have to hold them together for 3 seconds. So once you do that, your headphones will be verified, and you will see a message that tile is now activated. This is somewhere it gets more interesting personally for me. So you can find your headset device through this app. So there are instances wherein you might have left your headphones nearby and you don't know where it is. It has happened to me multiple times. So with this tile app, and if you have already connected your headset, what you can do is make the app play a loud sound on your headset, and that way you can find it. There is this finding headphones on a map feature as well. So if your headset is outside the Bluetooth range, you can view their last known location on a map within the tile app. And there is this community find feature. So overall it is good for your peace of mind. I will skip this for now, and if you want, you can choose a plan. I'm on the free one. It shows you how many members are nearby. You can navigate around the app like any other app. But what I'll show you here is how you can find the Hesh headphone that I was talking about, the feature. So I will click on find on the app, and you will hear loud noise from the headphone. This is the noise it makes. It keeps repeating itself, and the signal strength is very strong, so you know the device is nearby. You can click on the settings and you can manage your account, set up some smart alerts, upgrade to premium membership. So there are quite a few number of settings you can do. That's all for this video, everyone. Hope you guys liked the unboxing and the review and the video itself. If you have any queries or comments, do leave in the description box below. I will surely try to respond to them, and like I always say, this is just my personal experience. If you have any other experiences, do leave in the comment box below so that I know how yours is different from mine. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Take care.